Hey guys, how you doing? Ron here with TechTipsToGo. So in today's video, I'm just going to go over what we're seeing in the markets, etc. A lot of people are chasing these shiny these shiny altcoins, right? And I call it the shiny altcoin syndrome. So I used to use this term a lot too, right, in SEO. So if you guys do like digital marketing SEO, it's called like the shiny tool object syndrome, right? You get hooked into like black hat SEO, and you start wanting to do shortcuts to rank organically to kind of overcome Google's algorithm. And instead of doing things properly, you get banned, and basically your organic site listings go from like page one, spot one, where you're making like 10, 20, $30,000 a month on an affiliate income link, and then it goes to zero because you did black hat. You basically tried to gain Google's algorithm, didn't work for you, and Google bans you. So this is the same thing with cryptocurrency. So what I mean was like the shiny altcoin syndrome compared to like the shiny object tool syndrome, in SEO, is people are chasing these pumps, right? People are getting wrecked. People aren't sticking to the fundamentals and holding strong, right? So I made this video, right, sharing flowbacks. If you have any doubt, right, in your positions that you have, let's take a look at the markets first, okay? Now, I want to relate this to people who have like weak hands, and don't take it, don't take the criticism or what I'm saying too harsh. Take it as constructive criticism to make sure that you're kind of in check, in line, because like I said from the beginning of my videos, if you don't have a strong stomach for cryptocurrency, you shouldn't be in the game. You should be in the traditional markets, right? Look at the markets right now. We're like everything, I would say, 90% of everything is red. You might have the potential or some altcoin that you're going to get wrecked that is pumping 300-400%. And this is the problem that I've been seeing the last 2-3 weeks. Everything is pumping but your bag, right? And what I mentioned here is when you're in doubt, for the sharing people, the VeChain folks, I know VeChain isn't pumping as much as we thought it'd be. We see other altcoins like Donut. Like, to be honest, there's a cryptocurrency called Donut. I did about 3 hours of research on Sunday with my brother and some other people, and we took a look at Donut. Okay, so Donut it's a subreddit for the ETH trader where you could actually invest into and give like karma points on Reddit, right? I was going to buy it at 0.07, and then hoping that I was going to 100% my profit and then exit. But when you take a look at it and the circulating supply and the trading volume, good luck trying to sell it, right? Sure, you're going to pump 200-300%, but is the liquidity there? Are you going to have an option to sell it? By the time you sell everything, it's just you're probably going to be in the negative, right? Now, what I talk about is like having strong hands and trying not to chase that shiny altcoin, right? That everything's pumping, everything's going 200-300-4%. If you stick to your original bag, and if you believed in a cryptocurrency company from the beginning, why would you not continue to invest into it, especially if you got so low? Chasing these coins, you're just going to get wrecked. You're going to try and buy back in. I've heard so many stories. People sold sharing at 0.0065 because they wanted to make a profit. Now it's at 4 cents. And that's why you don't see me talking about day trading or swing trading a lot. And for sure on my channel, you're never going to see me day trading, right? Because I know the majority of the people that I know that do day trading get wrecked. Unless you're a professional day trader, good luck. Even if you're a professional day trader, I still say good luck, because that's all you're doing. You're every little slip and mistake that you make, you go back to your PC. You have no one else to talk to except for maybe your online friends. You get into trading, and like I mentioned, I know a lot of people who got wrecked. One of my employees was a day trader, and he lost everything, lost his home, everything. Had no one to talk to. He was doing it 12 hours a day, right? Go to the washroom, eat, go back, go to sleep, wake up, trade. Hopefully he doesn't make a mistake. Hopefully he has a good day. If he has a bad day, where is he going back to? He's going back to the PC. That's why I like kind of business. When I talk about business and entrepreneurship, I like to go out, meet clients, talk, do long trades, right? Meaning I'm in for the long run. Kind of invest into a company that has all these sound fundamentals like sharing and VeChain. Sit back and relax and take the long game. Hopefully that your altcoin is doing well. They're signing more partnerships. There's more transaction on the main net. things are starting to kick in, flowback, staking, rewards, NDAs, non-disclosures, right? Just basic fundamentals. So when you're having these issues and these doubts, take a look at, just refer back to this video that I made, sharing flowbacks, and think before you sell. What is sharing doing? It's a real utility that's going to be used by everyone. You're going to book a car, travel, hotel, flowback, staking, master nodes, the basics. You keep everything in line, keep everything in check. You see what they're doing. Just a little patience. Stop chasing those coins that are gonna, you think you're gonna get 2, 3, 400%. Stick with the basics. Reinvest. Not saying reinvest back into sharing, but if you had your position early in sharing, continue that position with sharing or VeChain, right? The odd time, yes, I might change positions, but very rare do I do that, right? And you really have to know and do your homework and sit down and figure out, okay, well, if I'm going to chase this, what's the biggest news that's going to come out? You really have to assess each thing and not jump to the next shiny altcoin, right? So, and it was the same thing when I looked at VeChain. VeChain's a little slow. Yeah, we reached 2 cents. It'll never go above 0.021, 0.0022. It drops down 5%. But like I said, when I talk about VeChain, look at all the partnerships that VeChain has signed in the last year. Think about when they get rolling, when the pandemic is over. Think about all the mainnet transactions. Think about the VeThor burn. Think about what VeThor is going to be rewarding you if you have your X node, right? Right now, if you have a Thunder X node, you're probably making $200, $250 passive income a month, which is good. Or if you hold any node. Because if you hold a node, you get regular VeThor, but that regular node is going to diminish over time, right? But if you hold an X node, you get more rewards. You get the regular pool, plus you get 1.5% or 1.3x more VeThor than the regular. You get it from a separate pool, right? So take a look at everything here. Everything is pretty much red. VeChain is still in the top 20. And now we look at sharing, right? Sharing had an all-time high, just a couple of weeks ago, 5 cents. Does that worry me? No, it doesn't worry me at all. Not even a little bit. When I look at this price, it could go down to 0.003 and I wouldn't even blink. To be honest, I'd be, I might dwell on it for a minute and be like, oh, that sucks, but who cares? Because I know in the future, 2, 3, 4 months, 5 months, as soon as these NDAs and partnerships and flowbacks start, we're going to be laughing, right? Like I said, I don't even care if we go to 10 cents. Yeah, I can be excited, but I'm hoping for a lot more than 10 cents, even more than $1, because it's real utility, real use case. So just hold strong. And like I said, even if it goes down to 0.002, 0.0025, or even 0.001, who cares? We know that they have NDAs, real partnerships, real use case and utility. So hold strong. Anyways, I just wanted to leave it at that, kind of update everyone. I wanted to update everyone kind of in the Telegram group, but I've got so many messages, so many personal messages, because I could kind of feel the vibe that people are getting worried with their investments, whether it's VeChain, sharing, etc. But it's a long game, guys, right? Just hold strong, hold tight, and guys, I'll see you tomorrow.